Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to update your MaxITPMS TS401. First, ensure your device is fully charged. Next, gather your USB cable and a computer with internet access. Keeping your TS401 updated is crucial for optimal performance and to access the latest vehicle data. This process ensures your tool remains compatible with new TPMS sensors and vehicle models, providing accurate diagnostics and programming capabilities. Before starting, visit the official Auto website to download the MaxIPC suite. This software is essential for managing your TS401 updates. Once downloaded, install it on your computer. Make sure your computer's operating system is compatible, typically Windows 7 or newer. A stable internet connection is vital throughout this preparation phase to avoid interruptions during the download and installation. With the MaxIPC suite installed, connect your TS401 to your computer using the provided USB cable. Launch the MaxIPC suite application. It should automatically detect your device. Navigate to the Update section and select the available software package. The update process will begin, displaying a progress bar. Do not disconnect the device until the update is fully complete to prevent data corruption. After the update completes, safely disconnect your TS401. Power it on and navigate to the About section to confirm the new software version. You'll now have access to the latest vehicle models and sensor data, improving your diagnostic capabilities. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy the enhanced performance and new functionalities of your updated MaxITPMS TS401 tool.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.